What if I told you coding and music were a match made in heaven? Let's dive in. Hello, future music maestros and coding wizards. Today we're diving into Introduction to Digital Music with Python Programming. Written by Michael S. Horn, Melanie West, and Cameron Roberts, this beginner-friendly guide makes music production a breeze. Imagine crafting your own beats and melodies while learning Python. Sounds fun, right? This book is perfect for anyone, even if you've never touched a keyboard or written a single line of code. You'll learn the basics of rhythm, chords, and melody, alongside programming essentials like loops, variables, lists, and functions. Each chapter comes with real-world musical examples, so you can start making music right away. The interactive examples online make it super easy to experiment and bring your creations to life. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation in both digital music and Python programming. So, ready to mix some beats with code? Subscribe for more videos and let's make some digital magic together. Thanks for watching.